This one is a bloody ripper. This one is a man's daily. Very cool. 6 month, 1984 HJ47. And using it daily, she's been a little bit modified and very well loved. It started its life up in North Queensland, up in Ayr, bought from a dealer up there, and has spent its whole life in Queensland. The gentleman that owns it now is actually the third owner. It's made its way all the way down to the southeast, but COVID friendly Queensland. It stayed here its whole life. Right up the front of this one, we've got the bull bar. That bull bar has been modified to fit a 40 and wasn't always on a 40. We've got LED lights, we've got LED inserts in the headlights and halogen spotlights as well going up there. You will also notice up the front is the PTO winch. That one's a Thomas winch, a dealer fitted from the day. It's been there its whole life and it's still there now. And under the bonnet, we've got the 2H, it is a 47. And we're having a chat, and his next mods is to turbo this one. That's what you do with the 2H, give it a little bit more boogie. And the 40 series power steer up there, it's got the 40 series box, not the 60 series box. I do notice it's got the block mounts on the 2H still, so the bracket that holds the pump. If you know if you've done power steer before on a 2H, we use the 60 series one a lot. Well, this one's all been fabbed and handmade, so that's done the treat really well. Otherwise, not much else going on there. His second battery is actually in the back, so it's pretty standard. You've got the reservoir in there, but it's also got the 5-speed. You just pretty important upgrade if this car is going to be a daily. And it's all steel. The only thing that's fiberglass on this one is the roof, and pretty hard to get a roof these days. If anyone's looking, may as well give up. Steel ones aren't really available, and we've got the fiberglass flares as well, so roof and flares. The rest of this is steel. She is a pretty clean rig. She's I've noticed a few little spots, but overall she is a clean steel rig. Got the steel tray, drop sides, wooden floor, dog box. The dog box is a newer addition. Inside, it's just a blank inside. Got a fridge and a chainsaw. The dual battery is actually in a removable box, so we can remove that, and it hooks up through the Anderson. The only other thing is genuine Heyman's Reese on the back for towing, and I do like the light protectors. He's got a little bit of a grill going on over the rear lights. I know I've smashed a few over the years, more so my clumsiness than anything. I could have used those myself, so that's the outside of the rig. Come with me inside. I'm digging the inside of this one. It's pretty stock. Check out the aircon. It's retrofitted with an aircon that wasn't Nippon Denso, or wasn't fitted, I'd say, from factory, but it's been there a long time by the look of it. She's an old unit, and that removes the heater. You really don't need a heater in Queensland, do you? It's not something we really use, but I do notice in this one there's a few of the things that we sell. So overhead console, that's an FRP one. They're the ones that we sell. They come in different colours. He's got the grey one, and he's housing some interior lights, UHF, and just utilising the shelves for storage. And I noticed the no bull floor, something we also supply. You can spot them ones away. There's a couple other brands, I won't mention names, but it took us a while to sort of sort out the better product, and no bull is a good one. The dash is pretty unmolested. There's a couple little holes in it and stuff. He's got his stereo, but it's all still there. A couple of cracks in the tacho, but you got to remember the age of these things, and it's been a third owner, a few different guys. It's been all their dailies, so it's done some big Ks. The clock says well over 500,000. Go the 2H. It's got quite a unique shifter, and something I noticed, this camera is the reverse camera's on all the time, so the mirror's not working. You've got a canopy and just leave the camera live, so it makes it like you've got a mirror now, so you can see what's going on behind him. Very cool. Custom made door cards and a little coffee cup holder, or in my case it's hold your stubby. But that's pretty much at the inside. Let's wrap this one up. So old mate's going to go on his way now. He's actually here picking up parts for a mate, so the next one is to harass the mate to bring his 40 in here and give it a walk around as well. HJ47.